Hey everybody, how you doing? Your buddy Uncle Bruce here. I thought I'd make a quick video today about GameStop and SoFi. Today's date being Thursday, December the 14th, 2023. We're approaching the end of the trading day today, and I've noticed a couple of little things that I wanted to pass on to you. Check this little chart out. Let me show you this here. I'm going to cover myself. How you doing? Take a look right here. What you're looking at are just snapshot quotes on SoFi and down here on GameStop. Note that SoFi, when I snapped this about 5 minutes ago, was trading at 9.39. It was at 45 cents on the day, 5% gain. Look at this here, the volume. Average volume for SoFi is 35.3 million. Today's volume, 84 million. No news, by the way, out on the stock. Way down here, GameStop, 1756, up 87 cents, 5%. Volume today, 9.3 million versus 5.7. This is a pattern for both of these stocks now over the last couple of days. You could say that, well, with interest rates maybe coming down and inflation under control, the market is more exuberant. Sure, we could say that, but I think there's a little more than that. Check this chart here. Here's some SoFi charts. This is a 5-day chart, okay? So 5 days coming down here, Friday last week, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Look at the movement around that 8 level and a breakout yesterday, Wednesday, and now today, holding that breakout. Expand this stock for 1 month and take a look here. We were in the upper sixes, got to the sevens, broke into the eights, and look at this. Breaking out. Go a little further out. This is a 3-month chart. So from September until now, look how the stock is hitting new highs since September. Now over on GameStop, we had the earnings come out. We had all kinds of wonderment about that, and the shares have been in the 11s. This is a 5-day chart. Same kind of thing, just like SoFi from Thursday, Friday, all the way up to now here. Breaking up from the 15 range now to the 1750 range. Here is a 1-month chart. Look at that. The highest level in the last month right now. That's what we're experiencing. The highest levels since September. Look back here for a 3-month chart. We haven't been here since September. And to give you a little more perspective, this is a 6-month chart on GameStop here. So we're talking June until the end of the year here, roughly where we are now. And you can see how the shares had been in the 25 neighborhood, slipped all the way down. They went from here all the way down to here, and they bottomed out in that 11 range. And now look at the breakout. And this is starting to get interesting, because now that we know Ryan Cohen can invest $1.2 billion of GameStop money into whatever he sees fit, he's got himself probably 4 or 5 billion buying power on his own, plus additional power through associates and friends and partnerships, and who knows what he could put together. This guy could become a very activist investor, using GameStop as the linchpin to do it. There are people sniffing out an opportunity on GameStop. And on SoFi, this is the first quarter, the fourth quarter of the year. It's the first quarter in the company's history where they will post positive results above the red line. And from here on out, SoFi is going to produce profits. And that means the countdown might be on shortly. It might be that by the end of this month, we begin a 1-year countdown to the company being included in the S&P 500. If they have 4 consecutive quarters of profits, they are on the list. They are in the eligibility list of becoming part of the S&P 500. That changes everything with SoFi, changes everything with institutional ownership. It changes everything with ETFs and mutual funds and pension funds that can now buy into this stock. We'll watch for that. The short positions on both of these are pretty high. Here again, today's volume on SoFi, we know it's at least 135, 136 million. On GameStop, we know it's about 65 million. And these numbers are significant. We also are very aware of the fact, obviously, that there are a lot of shares being shorted on these two using synthetic means, put contracts and everything else. But the derivatives market is just wild on these two. This will be a most interesting couple of weeks coming up here, especially with SoFi's numbers coming out at the end of January. And of course, GameStop right now in its best quarter of the year for retail. But what is Ryan Cohen's first move? What's the first move he's going to make? That is what's just got people beginning to figure out, oh my word, this company could be active in other companies' affairs. This should be a lot of fun. Anyway, there you go. There's today's story for you. Both of these stocks trading very heavy volumes, far above normal. And that means there is some money coming into these stocks, and we might begin the possibility of a bit of a short squeeze here. If these stocks pop a few more bucks each, we've got pressure on shorters, and that's going to be kind of fun. All right. Stay tuned, everybody. We'll keep you updated. Talk to you next time. Bye for now.